Let's convert our application to a web application, and for that what we need to do is we need to add only one dependency here. So we already have the Spring Boot starter, and we are adding one more dependency, which is Spring Boot starter web. So it's a starter, as you can see from the name. What is the starter? Starter is basically, it packages in itself all other dependencies that we would otherwise add manually, right? Let's go to starter and see that what we have here. So for example, for the web application, what we need for the web application, we need the Spring Boot, so we need the JSON, we need the Tomcat, so we need the Spring Web. All other dependencies that we need, we can actually, instead of adding them manually, we can use them. So we can use the starters. In this case, we are using a Spring Boot web starter web. So in our application, nothing has changed here. We have created one controller, right? In our controller, so what we have is we have added one method only, which is that the one endpoint hello, which returns us hello Spring Boot. And the others, there are no other changes. That's it. That's how we convert our basic app to the web app, right? So let's run it and see that with the Spring Boot, how easy it will work. So application is running right now, and we can go ahead and check that indeed that endpoint is, we can reach that endpoint. So I've already started earlier. So if we send the request one more time, as you can see, the request is, so we have received the hello from the Spring Boot.